Hi guys, and welcome back to Space Astronomy. Let's see, we got everything loading pretty slowly. The FPS is coming up. Wonderful. Uh, yeah. Well, so this pack has just been updated, so hopefully that will deal with some of the problems we had last time. But, let's check her out. First things first. Awesome. We've got our copper. So let's go and take a look and see what we have. Do we have enough iron to do some cool stuff? We have 9 iron, so perfect. We'll take that. Get ourselves 2 blocks of iron, thanks to the magic of the smeltery. Put that on in there. Then we can make some stronger tools. Let's take a look and see the difference between iron and copper, which is better for our iron pickaxe. At least with tinkers. We'll take a look. Okay, +3 attack damage. Or we were also talking about bronze, so we might as well. Bronze does 8, which I know copper is not going to be that high. So let's remember how to make that one more time. Bronze dust will teach us as well. So just take a look at the... Alright, so 3 copper and 1 tin. And we'd have to do 12 ingots total. So we'd need to triple that. So 9 copper, 3 tin. Do we have enough tin to do... Okay, we've got 6 tin. So we could do 3 tin, and then we can do... oh, that would work. Okay, well that'll be fine. We'll do that then. After we get the iron out, of course. As we need iron more than anything. Alright, now let's see if it'll come out immediately once it turns into solid iron, or if we have to... Awesome! Alright. Wicked. We could also use aluminum brass, but we don't have aluminum yet. Okay. I guess we'll take a look and see what a copper pickaxe is, just because we might want to use that for the time being until we get aluminum or gold. Okay. That's 4 attack damage. Granted, we don't know exactly mining level for it, but we'll keep it just for some mining purposes. We'll put all this stuff away for the time being. And we'll use those to make casts once we're able. 2 pickaxes will be fine. We're just looking for some easy stuff, so... We got our food. We actually will wait until we can sleep, though. It doesn't really matter so much when we're underground, but why worry about it? Okay. Or is the bed not working, period? Okay, perfect. Alright, so far so good. And there's our destruction we did last time. Let's go and dig some stuff up. Down in our mine. We'll make something cleaner here in a bit, but for the time being, we'll just do with what we got. Oh, osmium. That'll be good for mechanism. Dig all this up. Alright, do we have our torches? Perfect. Oh, I was saying we wanted to do tinkers so it'd be easier for torches, but we'll get there. We're not too far off anyway. Okay, I'm going to do... Get our pickaxe out. Alright, more copper. Gotta love the copper. We'll also check when we come across the... Ooh! Mimicrite ore. Okay, that doesn't... Let's try our copper and see how that does. Okay, it does harvest it. Perfect. I don't know what mimecrite ore is. Let's take a look. Ooh, it lasts forever burning. Alright. Detonation. Alright. Ooh, we can make diamonds with this? Holy crap! Well, that's not that big of a deal, though, because in obsidian you could just make with those as well. So does it double anything? Whoa! That's pretty overpowered. That's pretty... Leather. Alright, fair enough. Well, that's interesting. Plutonium. Okay, fair enough. It can be used as fuel. We knew that. So it's a highly useful thing. That's kind of crazy. I was not expecting that. But we will mine that up. Okay. So we don't actually have to use the copper one. It doesn't really have that good, or that... The animation's kind of crap. But that's okay. Getting our tin... Oh, we gotta be careful. There's some lava around here, I think. Okay, this would be a little cautious. Oh, Galacticraft copper. Alright, our copper pick does work on Galacticraft, so that's good. So that's probably like an iron pick. Alright, we'll put that up. Grab this copper. Electrical age, no need to use our copper pick. We don't have to. Alright. Put this up here so we can get back up. And we'll start mining some more. There we go. Down deeper and deeper into the bowels of the earth. Looks like we found some tin. Useful, just not exactly what we're looking for still. Be a little careful because of that lava. More and more dangerous. Alright. So that's broken. We'll use the copper pickaxe. We have no shortage of copper by any means. And once we find some aluminum and or gold, we can upgrade our pick to bronze, which will be even better. Looks like something's being damaged. Ooh, what do we found here? Some more tin. Okay. That'll be useful for Galacticraft. There's also some hollow area, which is different. And we've got lead! Lead's not bad. We'll use that in mechanism. And let's see what's below us. Aluminum! Awesome. We can make some aluminum brass. And then we can finally get better tools. Okay. So let's be careful, because we're still near lava. And we don't want to waste this aluminum. Okay. And we are so close to the lava right now. I know I've been saying that forever, but it's true. I don't like being so far down, so close. Okay, perfect. Alright. Put another torch out here. Make sure we don't spawn some of those monsters. Another torch up there. Might as well. Cast aluminum. Perfect. Alright, well, let's head on up. And we'll start making those casts. Get ourselves some better tools. And then we'll make the updated tool forge so we can do hammers and get ourselves some lumber axes and all those other good things. Do a little jumpy jump. Check out what we need in order to make the brass. It's copper and aluminum? Yep, it seems like it. So, we'll put some of that in the smeltery. Probably shouldn't put in everything, so I think... let's think. Bronze is a much better tool material that we can use. So what do we need for that? Copper and tin. We've got plenty of those, so we should be alright. Once we actually make the casts, we should be able to make a bunch of tools using that. First thing we'll want to do is make the pickaxe that we want at some point. Let's grab this copper, make an ingot cast. That way we can get things out more easily in the future. It's one of the problems without having an ingot cast. You're stuck into using the casting basin. So it really limits the amount that you're able to do. So now that we've got the aluminum brass, we can start making some bronze. Had to check and make sure we don't have anything that would make another alloy, because that's another one of the sort of things you have to avoid when using the smeltery, because it's nice to be able to make alloys so easily, but it's also can be a big problem if you're not prepared, because sometimes you don't really need 56 ingots of aluminum brass, since it doesn't really have that much use outside of casts. Now we gotta go change it down to aluminum brass to be on the bottom, and then we'll make our casts, and we'll finally get our brand new pick. So I think we'll make 2 of them. That way we have one that we can actually use, and then we'll also have a backup just in case, you know. So let's go ahead, put the cast down, and we'll switch it to bronze, because it's a much better material for mining purposes. Pour that on out. Awesome. Get our second one. Now we'll switch casts. Number 1. Number 2. And now we'll do the tool rod. Ooh, it's getting late. Let's pick that up. Now let's see if we can head on to bed. Alright. Now let's go make those tools. So we'll go on over to the tool station, select the pickaxe, and then we'll place in our tools. Looks like I forgot one of them, but we can come up with a name. The bronze banana. That'll be fine. Alright, we got one down. Now let's go and make the next one. Since we forgot, we gotta put back down the cast. Also need to make a chest for all the casts, but we'll get on that in a bit. Let's make the backup banana now. Backup banana. Wicked. And that has a redstone mining level, which will be wicked awesome. Let us mine a lot of things that we can't normally, so that'll be good. Let's see. Alright, now we'll head over here, grab the iron. And we'll make a mattock, because mattocks are very important, and also it just makes it easier to farm and dig things, because I mean a hoe is little useless except for hoeing things themselves, but a mattock you're actually able to use and dig up dirt as well, which is somewhat common in the underground. So let's switch to aluminum brass. Awesome. Pour ourselves a cast. Now we had 9 aluminum brass in there, so let's check and see if we have 7 or 5, whether it costs 1 or 2. Okay, just 1, so that's good. Pick that on up, and now we can actually make it. So let's switch back to the bronze. Pour us out some. Wicked. Now we'll switch casts. Pour out the shovel head. Next we'll get the tool rod. Awesome. Let's go ahead and grab some wood, make ourselves a pattern chest. So make a chest first, and then we'll make some patterns. Awesome. Maybe shouldn't have used the whole thing, because now I need to change back out. Okay, fair enough. Well, let's just put those on there and do some patterns. Excuse me. Awesome pattern chest. Looks a little bit different than normal. Okay, whatever. But we'll plop this down over here in the smeltery. Throw all the casts in there, because that's the only reason you really need them. Then we'll throw the blank patterns in the stencil table. Now we don't really need the stone tool rods, because right now they're kind of obsolete. So we'll throw them all out over here, and eventually they'll despawn, so we won't have to worry about them. Okay, now let's build that mattock. So we'll put on everything in. Wicked. And we've got our mattock. Awesome. Bronze banana, mattock, copper pickaxe. We can probably put the copper pickaxe away, just because we have 2 other pickaxes, which should do the job just nicely. We'll put those, actually we should probably throw those away, since we don't really need them. Put everything away. Now let's go and throw away the stone heads. And alright, well, wicked. Now that we've got our tools, I think we'll do a little gardening, plant some stuff, because planting is always important. And now the rest are really grown, except for the sugarcane. But on that note, I think we will call it here for this episode. But we'll be back soon and maybe we'll build a farm using a golden lasso. So, talk to you guys soon. Thanks, and bye!